Tochi, welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, I'm kind of in a different setup right now, and that is because I'm doing a different video. I'll be taking you guys along with me while I make my second wig. If you guys did not know, I did make this wig myself. I made this about a year ago, and it's just a water wave closure wig, and I'm literally in love with it. I'm still wearing it to this day. But I'm going to be making a new wig, y'all. I'm going to be getting some bangs, the bang. But I'm going to be showing you guys all the bundles that I got. And no, this is not a tutorial, by the way. I'm just going to be taking you guys along with me as I try to do it myself. And hopefully it turns out right. I mean, this one looks pretty decent to me after 1 year. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to try to do it. But it has been a long time since I made my own wig again. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my socials so you guys can see how I rock this wig, all my other wigs, the wig I'm about to make, all of that, and just see what I'm posting, what I'm doing, and anything YouTube related. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on into this video. Alright, y'all, so like I said, this is not a tutorial video because it's been a long time since I made it. I don't really know the hang of it without watching a tutorial, so I'm just gonna be taking you guys along with me and showing you guys how I did it and etc. So I'm going to be showing you guys who I got these bundles from, all that and all that, textures, all that, because it just came in the mail today. So the packaging is pretty beat up because the mail people just do not care about my packages. But this is Lemoda hair. This is just the front. I will link all the hair descriptions on my bundles down below so you guys can go check it out and see which ones, all that, everything you want to get. This is a 13x4 closure. I got an 18-inch closure with a 20, 22, and 24-inch for literally $123, y'all. It's super cheap and it was on sale, so make sure you guys go and check them out. So in the box they gave me some Lemoda lashes, pretty cute. They also gave me 2 wig caps. And then let's get on into the hair because y'all, wow, I only opened 2 of the bundles, so I'm going to open them all on camera right now for you guys. So this is the first one that I'm going to be showing you guys. This is a 24-inch. It is the longest one. And y'all, look at this, bro. I just got it, so I'm not really going to say if it's shedding or anything. I mean, right now it's not been shedding and I've been running my hands through it using a brush, all that on it. This is the 22-inch. I'm going to open this right now. I feel like it's not as thick, but I think that's totally fine. Because, you know, bone straight, silky hair isn't really as thick because it wants it to be flat and smooth. But, and I don't even remember. I'm going to link all my densities, all that down below once I go back on the site. But, y'all, these, yeah, you could definitely tell the height difference, by the way. This is 22, this is 24. Both of them are long. This is 22. This one stops right above my waist. This is the 20. Oh, the 20 is thick, especially at the top. Well, comparing the 20 with the 22-inch and then the 24-inch. Yeah, you can definitely tell the different heights. Onto the closure. This is what I'm going to cut into a bang. So yeah, this is a 4x4 closure in 18 inches. Just a regular brown lace, and it's thin, so I already know. It comes with a little bit of baby hairs at the front. But yeah, so those are all my things. I got this hair in a 4x4 closure, an 18, 20, 22, and 24. 24 being the longest, 18 being the shortest. And yeah, so I'm going to get ready to show you guys how I did this wig and how I'm going to start out this wig. I'm going to link the video that I watched down below if any of you guys want to try out and make this wig. And yeah, so I'm filming this video kind of in a vlog. So this is my wig stand. This is the wig head right here. It comes with all the tacks in the back. This is the wig cap that I got right here. It's just a dome style whip cap. I got it in a black and extra large because my head under with these cornrows is big, so I always get my wig in extra large. Okay guys, so this is the video that I'm watching. It's the detailed how to make a lace closure wig beginner friendly because my wig is a closure, by the way. Right now she is currently teaching me how to do putting the thread on the needle and making the closure. So I'm about to do that over on my wig head and show you guys how it looks after. So it's a little bit later now and I finished putting on the closure. I just finished, I'm not done, but I have this much left, so I'm gonna show y'all. Okay guys, so this is how it's looking. This is the last part I have to do. Please don't mind my nails, I gotta repaint them. But this is the last part. I just gotta sew up that area right there. I finished the back of here. All this stuff. The hair looks so crazy right now because I had to move it out the way so I could sew. But as y'all can see, that's the stitching. Guys, so it's about 3 o'clock in the morning and I'm going to show you guys the progress that I made because I haven't made much because I was a bit confused for like a good grip, but let me show you guys what I did so far. Back on the first bundle, this is the 24-inch. This is how it's looking so far. Long and pretty. And I'm all the way up to here. And I'm about to do all the way around up to here. And I'm going to double it. And I'm going to come back around and finish this. Okay guys, I just finished doing the first bundle. All the 24 inches are in. This is how it looks right now, and I'm about to go to sleep because I'm so tired. But this is how it looks, guys. The closure's up here, just other pins. And I doubled the wefts, did this side over to this side, and yeah, this is how it looks. It is literally so long, bro. Like, all the way down there. But yeah, y'all, this is how the wig looks. I'm not done, but it's the first layer. Tomorrow, when I wake up, I'm going to put in the 22-inch and the 20-inch and finish this off. And then I'm going to show you guys how I bleach, do that, all of that. I will see you guys in the morning when I wake up. Hey guys, it's the next day. I literally look so bad. But I wanted to show you guys the wig because I'm currently struggling and I want to record this process to just show you guys what I've done so far. And all I don't mind my hair, I just took it out of a ponytail and it just looks so terrible. Okay, so I've put in the 22 inches now and I've just pinned some parts to see how I'm doing, and I need to put this up here. This part isn't sewn down yet, but y'all, I still have to put in my 20-inch bundle, but this is how it's looking. It looks pretty full, but I don't know. I'm kind of struggling a little bit, so I'm just gonna be back when I figure everything out. Hey guys, so it is exactly 1 o'clock in the morning and I just finished the 22-inch part. This is how it's looking. I'm going to turn the camera around. This is how the 22-inch is looking. It stopped right here, so I'm going to have to bring the 20-inch one and finish it off and like do all the rest of this. And I know it's going to last because this one took up like all this space. But yes, guys, so I am about to do the last bundle. So far, this has been, I don't know, way harder than it was to do this one. I think the hardest part about doing this wig was the closure, because after that, I literally just knew what to do exactly. But I think it's just harder because the hair's like, I don't know. This hair's a lot thicker because it's curly hair, and it's different. But I'm about to do this one, and I will be recording this one a lot more because this is probably like the end of the video before I do the bleaching and the trimming of the bang, because that part's literally gonna go by like that. But yeah. Hey guys, so it's currently 5:30 in the morning and I just finished making the wig. It looks really messy in the front because Lemoda hair only sells this hair, this straight bundles, in a free part, not a middle part, so I couldn't get that. But other than that, this is how the hair looks, all sewn in, super full. And it's not as bumpy as I thought it would be based off my sewing. It's actually pretty flat, but it is like 5 o'clock in the morning. So what I'm going to do is just leave this like this. It looks super silky. I haven't been getting any shedding. Okay guys, so the next part that you guys are gonna see is days later after I finished making the wig, and my sister was helping me out with the bleaching, the pucking, and cutting of the bang. So that's all the next part. There's no talking in that, so you guys are just gonna hear some music. I didn't want to do a voiceover, so I just decided to film it like this. But yeah. Lastly, you guys are going to see just me getting the hair installed, and it's going to move on to the outro. But right now, it's just the bang has already been cut on the mannequin, as you guys just seen. But now it's going to be installed on my head, and yeah. Hey guys, so this is how the hair is looking in the aftermath. I am going to do some touch-ups on it, but I don't think I'm going to show that in this video. I'm going to get this part a lot flatter. I think I'm going to remove a track in the back because it is bumpy back here, but I haven't curled my hair yet. My hair is just slicked down underneath, and I just laid it to see how it looked. But I wasn't talking in the most parts because all you guys seen was the hair getting bleached, plugged, and then installed. So this is the outcome of this hair. I really like it, actually. It is so long, y'all. Like, it is literally so long. Let me show you. This is the hair. All the way down. Just 24 inches. The bangs are pretty good. I just need to flatten some more pieces, but yeah, this was a pretty long video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I will link all the hair details down below. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram because I'm definitely posting a lot of pictures with this hair. And yeah, that's it for the video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.